Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Inkscape and create a new document. Set the canvas to your target size, for example 1920 by 1080. Next, add layered structure, background, sketch, paint, highlights, so you can edit without wrecking earlier work. Use the pencil or Bezier tool to lay down a simple line sketch now. Don't fuss on details. Then switch to fill/stroke to pick base colors, and enable the bucket or live paint-like techniques to block large shapes quickly, keeping shapes on the paint layer. With base shapes in place, convert important objects to paths so you can edit nodes precisely. Go to Path, then Object to Path. For depth, add gradients. Use linear for planar light and radial for rounded forms, and adjust opacity stops to blend smoothly. Duplicate a shape, blur the copy slightly, and use it as a shadow layer for subtle volume. Finally, confine washes by creating a mask or using clip so your shading stays inside the intended form. This keeps edges clean while you refine. Now refine. Paint crisp highlights with small, bright strokes and add texture via subtle overlay layers at low opacity. Make sure to group and name layers before finalizing, so edits are easy later. Export your work as PNG at a higher DPI if you need raster output, or save as SVG for vector fidelity. If you spot jagged edges after export, increase the DPI or, alternatively, return to vectors and use Path, simplify cautiously to remove extra nodes without losing silhouette. This fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.